I don't know why some people is like dogs, like really like dogs. One person I took a baby to her, then they attacked the car with bricks. Lucky Jesus is so wide awake and always on time and always with me. That's why your bricks couldn't make a single scratch on the car. That is my God that I serve. Never ever failed me. You can throw other people's cars and make dents in there. I can tell you. And if I'm lying, then God must let me die now. I was looking at the brick going against my window. My sister ran away and she looked back and saw the bricks coming against my window. No one of you even had the power to touch me that day. And by the way, while I was keeping someone so, I was keeping him tight. I didn't know why. I was just thinking, why am I keeping this one so tight? So my sister come help me keep that one. So she sees, but she's struggling to take a knife out. But I can tell you, and I know even if you're gonna see this video, my God is greater than all my problems. Yeah, you can say you did fight with someone and they put you in jail because you're out of God's protection. Out, totally out.